Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making fried rice. So guys, I'll be showing you how I make my own fried rice. Guys, hope you have subscribed to my channel. Please do and subscribe to my channel, like, and please watch till the end. So I'll be showing you the things I'll be using for our delicious fried rice. So that is my carrots. I'll make use of carrots. So I'll scrape the back before using it. So you see what I'll do it. Guys, I'll also be making use of green beans. That's my green beans. And also my chili pepper, my green chili pepper, and my green bell pepper. That's all the green peppers I'll be using. Then I'm making use of onions. That's my white onions. I love using it for my fried rice, and I'm using our normal onions. So that's my red pepper, my scotch bonnet, and my red bell pepper. I'm making use of it. So that's my curry powder. Coming to condiments, I'm making use of curry powder. That is the main condiments for fried rice. So that's my mivina. I'm making use of mivina. It depends on you. Choose the one you want. That's ginger garlic powder. That's my spice for fried rice. Then my nut cubes. That's my rice. So guys, I'm cooking 1 cup of rice. Then my sweet corn. I'm making use of sweet corn. That is it. I will also be making use of margarine and vegetable oil. Then I forgot to show you my green peas and my kidney beans. You will see when I will be adding it, or I will still show you before I add them. So guys, that's my carrots. I'm done scraping the back. So that's my carrots. So make sure you scrape the back of your carrots before using it for anything, be it salad, cooking, or whatever. So guys, I will be cutting it, but before then let me show you my meat. This is my meat. I added all the things I will use to boil the meat. I will be using chicken and beef, and I threw it in the fridge last night. I marinated it and left it in the fridge. So that is it. You need to, I wish you tested the chicken to see how good it tastes. It's always good to leave it like that over the night. So guys, I'm cooking my meat. I added my blended pepper inside the meat. So that's my meat cooking. I added a lot of ingredients. Maybe I'll list them out later so that you know what I use. It depends on you. You can use whatever you wish to use that will make your meat taste good. So guys, that's my carrots. You don't want to know about fried rice, you keep cutting. So I'm done cutting my carrots. So that's my green beans. I'm done washing them. So guys, this is the water I will use to prepare my rice. As you can see, I just added my rice. I'm sorry that I didn't show you, but I added corn inside this water when it started boiling. I'm sorry that I didn't film that one. So I've added my rice. So we see the outcome. I will just leave this rice for about 6 to 7 minutes. You know it's fried rice. You don't need to allow your rice to be too soft. So you will see that I will leave the rice for about 6 to 7 minutes. Then you see the outcome, guys. That is the rice. Hope you are seeing it. It has already given me the color of the rice I want, my fried rice. It has given me the color already. So that's the way I do it. I always add color while peppering my rice if I want to cook fried rice. So guys, that is the way I do it. I will just cool it off with cold water. So that is it. It's still hard. I just left it for about, I just prepared it for about 6 to 7 minutes. So that is it. So guys, that is my meat stock. I will start cooking the rice now. So my meat stock, I'll be adding my fried rice seasoning inside, my spice for fried rice. That is Nora. I'll be adding it. I'll be adding my ginger garlic powder. I will be adding my mivina. Like, add whatever you wish to add. That's what I always add. My nut cube, I'll be adding it inside this my stock, because I added a little water inside the stock so that it will cook my rice perfectly well. So I'll be adding little curry as well. So guys, that is my meat stock is burning down, so I'm adding adding the rice. So guys, that is rice. The water dried up, so I had to pour it in another container. So that is my rice here. As you can see, it's not too soft, but it's cooked. So guys, that's I just added little oil. Then that's my margarine. I'll melt it. That's what I'll be using to fry the vegetables I'll be using for the fried rice. You will see how I will do it. Then I'll pour my rice, I'll fry it together, and that is the way I cook my own fried rice. Hope it added value. So keep watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. And please make sure you comment. Support this channel to grow. Thanks so much. Like I said, I'll show you my green peas and my kidney beans. That is it. My peas and my kidney beans. I had to soak it overnight because it's always hard. So I soaked it overnight. Now it's soft. So I'm still frying my vegetables, but please don't over fry. Like now it's okay. The carrot is a bit soft now, so I'll be adding my rice. As you can see, our delicious fried rice is ready. Guys, I wish you tested this fried rice with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please support this channel. Make sure you watch till the end. Subscribe, like. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. See you in my next video. Bye.